my cart for my next video, which is gonna be the Amazon haul. Hi guys, it's Dre here, back with another YouTube video, and today I'm gonna be doing a Amazon haul for y'all. As requested on my Instagram. I'm gonna insert the video. Y'all know I'm famous for this. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I'm so excited to do this video, actually. I'm glad you guys suggested this, because this is something I know I'm gonna enjoy doing, and that really I should have did. And we changed the lighting today. I hope it doesn't look too different. I don't think it does, but yeah. All my packages came in literally this morning. Yeah, everything's here. So anyways, without further ado, I'm gonna get started, and I'm gonna start by opening this package. I don't know what's in here, and then I don't know what's in these either. I just know what I ordered. So yeah, I'm gonna get into it. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna open the first package. First package I'm gonna open is this one, so let's see what's inside, because I don't know myself. What is this? Oh, these are the, is this what I think it is? Okay, these are the headbands I ordered. I ordered some makeup headbands. I want to open these and see if they're good. I got 10 in a pack for $9.99. I got everything I got on this haul on sale. So I'm gonna put the link so y'all can get it before it is off sale. I don't know how I'm gonna open this. Where's my handy dandy scissors? I'm gonna cut the top without cutting a headband. Hold on. Oh, they're soft. This is the first headband. This is so cute. This is cute. I like this. Let's see the other one. The next one has cow prints. Yo, these are really cute. This one has leprechaun print. I mean, leprechaun. Leopard prints. Or cheetah. I don't even know. What is this? Oh, hearts. These are cute. This is like the best investment I probably made. Look, they're so soft. They're all velvety. This one is pink leopard. I like this. It's giving Hello Kitty and Barbs. Got this one. This is cute. This one looks like a cloud. This reminds me of a birthday cake, like a birthday cupcake. And we have this. This looks really Valentine's Day themed. I wish I had this for Valentine's. I could have made a makeup video for y'all. It's okay though. Anyways, next item. What's this? Oh, these are the gloves I ordered. I ordered some gloves and I want them for winter. They looked really cute on the picture, so I hope they look the same. They should. Ooh. Pull them out. These are soft. They feel good quality. Oh, they're attached to each other right now. I'm gonna take them off. They have fur here. I got them in tan. They have them in black, red, a light pink, and this color. I hope this fits my hand. It looks a little big. Oh, it does. These are cute, y'all. Feeling like Princess Diana right now.
But they know I don't answer. In the hood, I'm like Princess Diana.
Next, I got these. These were $5.99 for how many are in a pack again? I think it's 20. Yes, 20. They're plant-based cosmetic towels by Neutrogena, of course. One of my favorite makeup brands. Well, skincare brands, rather. Because I use their moisturizer and their lotion. And they're like little baby like packs. This is cute. I'm going to open this just so y'all can see it better. They're baby towelettes. Oh, this is so cute. They're miniature towelettes. Y'all, this is adorable. I really like this. They're so cute. Look, I got 10 of them. I'm gonna show you all of them. Aren't they cute? Alright, y'all. On to the next package. I got this package I'm about to open. I'm excited for this one because I hope this is what I think it is. Oh, this is a little hard to open. This is my lash lift kit. I saw this all over TikTok. And this is another episode of TikTok made me buy it. Really. This was $20 and you can do unlimited lash lifts, and they have the directions on the back. And it comes with the lotion, the fixed lotion to keep your lashes in place after you're done lifting them, a nourishing lotion to moisturize your eyelashes, and a cleanser. And it comes with glue to keep your like eyelashes on the patch. Like there's this little plastic patch that comes, and you literally stick your eyelashes up to it like this while you're doing everything. This looks pretty easy to use, and it's in cute packaging. When I open this, I'm gonna open this in my next video. I'm gonna do another get ready with me for my week. I'm gonna show y'all how this works because this is exciting. The big facts. So I'm gonna open this up with some scissors. Why are all these packages so hard to open? I have to cut it like straight down the middle. Ooh, okay. They came with these little airbags, keep them protected. Okay, I got this. This is a piece of jewelry I ordered. It's a sterling silver bracelet, which I'm so excited because I need some more sterling silver jewelry. So I'm glad this came into it. Oh, this is so cute. It's like a little linked, like sterling silver bracelet with a little chain links. It's a little small. I hope it fits my wrist, but I do have a small wrist, so it should fit. I'm gonna try it on. Ooh, okay. It does not look as small as it did in the box. Let me open the clasp. It looks like, ooh. Oh. I might not be able to do this myself. I might have to ask my mom to put it on for me. It will indeed fit. And really snug too, so this will look like on. This is cute. It's simple, but it's cute. No. I give this a 10 out of 10. And it's thick, so it won't break easily. I got these, I was seeing all over social media. Apparently they work really well and they have hyaluronic acid. And it helps take your pimples and your blemishes away, so I'm ready to see how these work. But I want to see what colors they came in. I'm opening everything for y'all today. Everything. They came in pink and yellow. These are cute. I'm gonna use these like probably tomorrow, matter of fact, because I have a blemish right here that I'm ready for it to go down. So I'm gonna put one of these on. These are really cute. I like it. And last but not least, eyelash clusters. So I can do my own lashes. I got the whole entire mapping kit, and this was only, I believe it was $10.99. And it's a mapping kit with the remover and the glue and the tweezers and the brushes. It came with everything. This was such a steal. And another thing I got from Amazon this part of this haul is my earrings with my new piercing. These two earrings up here, I got them from Amazon. And these two over here. It came with 6 of these hoops, and there's little studs like this, and there's 6 of them. And it was $16.99 sterling silver for 12 earrings. It was a really good value. So if you guys have multiple piercings, or you just want to like give somebody something, that's a good gift. Different sizes Like, I know these rings don't look like different sizes, probably y'all can't tell the difference, but they are. When you put them up, these have more space than these. No, sorry. These have more space than these. So I really love these earrings. They're really cute. They're comfy. They don't come out easy. And they're really shiny. I love it. And also, as you all know from my last video, I got these leaves from Amazon. I have some more to finish my whole entire wall. So my whole wall will be done next video. I have half my wall done right now. But yeah, guys. This video has been so exciting for me. And I'm happy with the value of everything I got, and I'm happy with everything I did get. So, Lego. I'm gonna be posting on Instagram for you guys to give me some more video suggestions for next time I do like a video or anything. And thank you guys for 60 subscribers. We're almost at 100, almost 40 more, and we're gonna be at 100. It's 10 more than I had in my last video, and I'm so excited. And thank you guys for watching my videos. Like, it really makes me feel happy. Like, my watch time has been up. So thank you so much, guys, for watching and subscribing and just being here throughout my journey is growing as an influencer, YouTuber, and everything else I do. Almost forgot to announce this. I got this little statue thingy for 50 subscribers. It's like our little channel statue. Yeah. I'm gonna name it Drelit. It's like a mini Drea statue. Instead of statue of me, I'm gonna call it a Drelit because it represents my channel. I love y'all so much. Until next video, bye guys.